Hi all, this is BRR. Welcome back to BRR Knowledge Hub YouTube channel. So today we'll continue HTML5 semantic tags session 2. So in the last session we have been discussed about figure image and figure caption and progress and mark semantic tags. So in this session we will discuss some more semantic tags. So how these are going to be helpful for the website design and development. Okay, so in this session we'll discuss about meter. So what this meter tag is doing as part of HTML5. This is similar to the progress tag, but it is not used for status or progress measuring or progress status showing on UI. It is used for nothing rating of internet app or movie product, something kind of thing. In that context we'll be using this meter tag, because if you look at any movie rating like out of 10, so what is the rating out of 5, what is the rating that being giving in online, looking at 1 2 2.5 3 something they're giving it. So in this a ratio, so we'll be using this meter tags to show the rating of the internet applications. Okay, how it is going to be work. The syntax of this meter tag is as similar as you can specify meter, and here same value equal to 2. This is what the value I'm giving for out of 10, max 10, and min 1 I'm giving it. So this is what the syntax of meter HTML5 tag. So in this area you can specify 2 out of 10. So this way you can specify like if you want to dynamically add some value based on rating or based on some calculations, that also you can do it. But by default, based on the static analysis, or by default we want to show something like this is what the meter value or rating value you are going to present for a specific application, then you can hardware it like this. So how we can write this program? So again I will start with this HTML and HTML. So head section, and here title section, and specifying. So here HTML5 semantic tags session 2, and here we'll declare body tag, because without this also HTML will work, but I'm following some format. Like these are the tags which we need to use, but these are not mandatory. You can directly call, put the body tag and put the form tag, and you can put your controls. This will render it but the first one is very important, because this recognize the HTML5 render engine. If you put that doc type at top of your HTML, then only it will recognize that this code is being written in HTML5, or the HTML5 render engine will come to the picture, and that styles like cascading styles will calculate and evaluate the tags and will render output on stream. Okay, this is compulsory. Okay, now in the form tag, so I will just simple meter. About meter I'm saying meter, I'm saying id value 1 and value equal to, so in this case I can say like 2.5. Okay, and the max equal to just 10 I will give, and min equal to 1, closing it. Here I'm saying 2.5 out of 10 rating plus specific. If you put some here like some h2 tag, like whatever we can say, like some application like HTML5 semantic tag demo. So in for this video I'm giving rating as 2.5 something. If you run this particular application, we'll see HTML5 semantic tag demo has been given rating as something. It will show you in a different way. If you look at progress bar, progress tag, that is differently showing it. But when it comes to here, it will show you like this. If you want to increase this, you can increase like 100 itself, and it will show you something kind of this. but always having only this 10 is the max value only. Now programmatically how you are going to do this. Similarly, you have to write JavaScript. So, and I can say like window dot set interval. So I can say this start function here, and I will be calling this every 500. Or if you want to uh, call this function for every week or every by weekly twice, so that you will be knowing this so and so video, semantic demo video, demo #1 video. So that you'll be knowing like how many views are visited, how many views it has been reached out, and how many are like this video. And based on that, if you want to give some rating, then you run this based on the time you have to specify it here. So here I'm just giving a demo. That's why I put it as some 500 milliseconds. Get element by id of m1 dot value equal to. So we'll copy this same thing and use plus 1. I'm increasing, and before this I'm just checking this particular value. If meter equal to 10, I'm just clearing interval here, 0. So this I'm going to run this. Then how it is going to work, this will start like this. So based on that, the rating will be increased. So not only 1500, you can specify 10,000 milliseconds, and it will get slow, and it will start something like this. So this is how you are going to use meta tag and HTML file. So based on your need and the purpose, you will use this semantic tag, and it will give better result. Okay, and coming to next tag, I'm going to explain you about the WBR tag. What is this WBR tag? So this is word break tag. Generally, we use for putting or breaking a user length word when it comes to browser resizing or window resizing. If you are afraid that your long use text is being put into wrong place, then you specify this the WBR tag, so that it will render into next line before that tag. Okay, for this let us say this is similar to break tag, but it has other feature that word break. So word wise it will break the content, like so how I'm going to use this. So I will say some p tag here, like in this p tag let us say something like to learn about HTML5, to learn HTML5, or something I can say like some text which is being to learn HTML5. You should aware of HTML basics. Also, to learn about HTML5 or Ajax, you should aware of HTML basics. Also, XML HTTP request object. Okay, something I'm putting it here. If I run this, this comes like this: to learn HTML5 and Ajax. You can say like instead of comma, you can say Ajax. You should aware of HTML basics and XML HTTP request object. This is what text I'm giving it now. If I resize my browser or something, I can't like just entire text is being rendered or coming to the next line. But I don't want this. I want only word should come and next phase kind of thing. So what you will do is you will put your WBR tag here so that it will render only the tag. If you resize this, if you look at here, earlier the complete word has been wrapped into next line, but here only request has been wrapped. Okay, so this is how the tag is being working, and not only here. So it seems running out. So like this, it is rendering into next line based on word but not use text. Let us say I have a lengthy word which has some 50 characters, 100 characters, or 200 characters of used text I have been displaying on the HTML page. But when I resize my browser or window, I want word by word wrapping. That time, I definitely it is being helpful for the developer. So hope this clears how the WBR tag is working. And another one is I'm going to explain you about Ruby tag. What is this Ruby tag? Basically, this tag is used to present abbreviation of your details. Let us say I put some details and I want to give some hint to the end user that this is belongs to so and so abbreviated text kind of thing. Then that time, how I'm going to use this particular Ruby tag. So again, in the Ruby tag, we have again subtags, RB and RT. So RB and the RT tags are the subtags. So RB and RT are the subtags under this Ruby tag. So how we are going to use this Ruby tag? So coming to here, I'm just putting some breakpoints here and putting some breaks. So here I use Ruby tag. So Ruby, this is closing. Within this Ruby, I'm just specifying RB. This is the first subnode within the Ruby tag, and the RB I'm just mentioning that. So www, this is the abbreviation I'm mentioning, and actual text I'm giving here is World Wide Web. Okay, if you put like this and just check it up how it is being rendering like this. So this is the way it is showing you that the above text abbreviated string is www something. So based on the use and the need of your development, you adopt these tags so that you will be having lesser development effort because everything has been readily available here. In earlier, we used to write so much of code to achieve these kind of requirements, but nowadays these are the built-in tags available in HTML5. You just use it and you'll definitely get the benefit with this tags. Hope this clears what is this meter tag and WBR and Ruby tags and how we are going to use it. Okay, so thanks for listening, and please subscribe BRR Knowledge of YouTube channel for more videos on this session. Thank you.